हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू द टेक्स्ट बुक सुपर कोचिंग प्लेटफॉर्म। माई सेल्फ प्रद्युमन त्रिपाठी और आज आप सभी के लिए एक बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट अपडेट मैं लेकर आया हूं। जैसा कि आप यहाँ पे इमेज में देख रहे हैं कि कर्नाटका सेट कर्नाटका स्टेट एलिजिबिलिटी टेस्ट का नोटिफिकेशन आ चुका है और बहुत जल्दी जो है इसके एग्जाम भी कंडक्ट होने वाले हैं। मतलब जो कर्नाटका में जो लोग कर्नाटका में प्रोफेसर बनना चाहते हैं, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर बनने के लिए जो एलिजिबिलिटी होती है, जो कि टेस्ट देना पड़ता है, जैसे कि नेशनल लेवल पे हम यूजीसी नेट एग्जाम देते हैं जिसमें आप असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर बनने के लिए एलिजिबल होते हैं। ओके, सो सिमिलरली नाउ द कर्नाटका गवर्नमेंट हैज रिलीज्ड that Karnataka state eligibility test is going to be conducted, okay, and the informations are out, so it's going to be very crucial, and the exam as they are expecting is going to be in the month of this basically November December. So उसके बारे में सब कुछ मैं आपको डिटेल बताऊंगा। So सबसे पहले आप सभी से रिक्वेस्ट है कि प्लीज डू लाइक the session and share with this information with your friends also, and do subscribe to the textbook super coaching platform. Okay, so let's know what are the details that are basically being presented by the agencies regarding the upcoming KSET examination. Okay, so KSET examination के बारे में, again this examination can be attempted by anyone, but it is especially for the students those who belong from Karnataka. Okay, so the students of other state. Okay, because again usually whenever I will provide this kind of information, a usual question comes among the mind of the students कि sir can be apply okay from students from the other states. Okay, तो जब भी ऐसी कोई information आती है कि अच्छा किसी state में स्टेट एलिजिबिलिटी है, सेट एग्जामिनेशन हो रहा है, ठीक है, तो ये सेट एग्जाम है, स्टेट एलिजिबिलिटी नॉट नेशनल एलिजिबिलिटी। सो क्या हम दूसरे राज्य के बच्चे भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं? तो वैसे तो कर सकते हैं, परंतु कोई फायदा नहीं है। ठीक है, अगर आप नेट एग्जाम की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, सो अगेन दैट वुड बी यू विल बी एलिजिबल फॉर एवरी स्टेट ओके ऑफ द इंडिया। ओके, अगर आप नेट क्वालिफाई करते हैं नेशनल एलिजिबिलिटी टेस्ट, देन ऑटोमेटिकली यू आर एलिजिबल एवरीवेयर इन द कंट्री टू बिकम असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर। आप देश भर में कहीं भी असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर बनने के लिए बेसिकली क्वालिफाइड होते हैं। बट ये जो एग्जाम होते हैं वो स्टेट लेवल के होते हैं, तो स्टेट के स्टूडेंट जो स्टेट के स्टूडेंट्स हैं वही भाग इसमें पार्टिसिपेट करें तो इट इज बेटर। ओके, बिकॉज अगेन द लैंग्वेज ऑफ द पेपर इज ऑल्सो गोइंग टू बी Karnataka as well as English. Okay, so it is not going to be in Hindi. Okay, the question paper here is not going to be in Hindi. So हिंदी में तो होगा ही नहीं, तो हिंदी वाले स्टूडेंट्स बिल्कुल नहीं कर सकते। कर्नाटका लैंग्वेज होगी, कर्नाटक सॉरी कन्नड़ लैंग्वेज, माय मिस्टेक, कन्नड़ लैंग्वेज इज गोइंग टू बी देयर as well as English. Okay, the question paper will be in two languages. Okay, now let me tell you some important details regarding the dates. So सबसे पहले इंपॉर्टेंट डेट्स जो है कर्नाटका स्टेट एलिजिबिलिटी टेस्ट 2023 फॉर assistant professor. Okay, so the dates that are provided by, okay, so government of Karnataka has directed, थोड़ा सा इसको जूम कर देता हूं मैं। So the government of Karnataka has directed Karnataka examination authority to conduct Karnataka state eligibility test KSET 2023 for assistant professor eligibility, and the tentative date sheet is basically the date of notification will be 5/9/2000 basically 23, and then hosting of the information prospectus. Okay, मतलब basically ये आपका 5th को उन्होंने बताया, and then last date of, okay fine, so last date to pay fees will be October month. Okay, then date of examination, okay, so मतलब 5 September तक, okay, by 5th of September you are going to see the basically notification, and then like let's say date of examination will be 5th of November. Okay, by November, okay, not December, November में, okay, so according to the notification 5th of November the examination of KSET is going to be conducted. Okay, so you have very minimum time. September month is already started, and they are saying ki by 5th of September the information, the notification will be out on the website. Okay, right now there is no notification on the website, so don't worry about it, but it will be available by 5th of September. 5 September तक ये information आपकी website पे पहुंच जाएगी, and then on 5th of 5th of basically November, okay, 5th of November the exam is going to be conducted. Okay, so September, October, November, you just have 3 months, okay, for the preparation. So you have to start like let's say preparation from the very beginning only. Okay, अभी से start कर दीजिए, and for the preparation purpose you can keep following the textbook super coaching platform. You can join the textbook super coaching platform, you can join the subscription also, where you will be getting all the content, or let's say all the courses, classes that are required for cracking the examination. Because the UGCNet courses, okay, the UGCNet courses that are provided on the textbook platform, they will be very helpful, because the syllabus of KSET examination is same as the syllabus of UGCNet examination. Okay, KSET का एग्जाम जो सिलेबस है वो बिल्कुल UGCNet के सिलेबस के जैसा ही है, तो paper 1, paper 2, it's going to be same. So you can join the textbook super coaching platform and get the benefit of the courses that we are conducting there for your KSET exam, cracking your KSET examination. Okay, so that's the information. So please keep following the textbook super coaching platform, and do subscribe to the Textbook Super Coaching YouTube channel so that you will be getting all the important updates regarding your examination as well as some interesting and important classes for your preparation. Okay, and the class timing, the free class timings for the political science subject. Okay, because I'm a faculty for political science, so all the important information regarding political science, the classes will be available at 5 p.m. and 6:30 p.m. So please keep following the sessions and keep preparing for your KSET 2023 examination. And again, it is very good that it is conducted in the month of basically going to be conducted in the month of November. So it is going to be what we can say a preliminary exam before your net examination. Okay, because UGC net examination is going to be in December, so it can be a kind of a practice examination. So in that manner, you can fasten up your preparation strategy from today only and just start preparing according to the syllabus and start attempting some question practice. And again, a lot of questions are also previous year questions are also available on the Karnataka State Eligibility Test website. So you can access the previous year question papers and start preparing according to the as per the syllabus. Okay, so best of luck for this examination. We keep following the Textbook Super Coaching platform. We will be conducting some wonderful sessions in the upcoming days for the KSET preparation again, because along with the UGC NET classes only. So UGC NET की classes के साथ आप ये KSET के syllabus को भी cover करेंगे, मतलब same syllabus ही है और उसके हिसाब से प्रिपरेशन टेक्स्ट बुक सुपर कोचिंग के साथ करते जाइए. ठीक है, थैंक यू सो मच.